This question will be asked to everyone who has the wisdom to help the situation. What can you advise Noy Noy with regards to Spratly issue?
We would stay in our own territory. Nobody can intervene. Nobody can trespass our territory. We have to protect our own territory against the foreign invaders.
Is China being an invader or they're just claiming?
Maybe they are something that is wrong for us.
So you think that China's gesture with regards to the issue of Spratly is threatening?
Yeah,
Is that so?
it's threatening. I think,
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. So what can you advise, Mr. President? But before that, kay,
Who can make that decision? It should be through the sovereign people of God.
yes, but at the same time, right now, he is the one that we put there to make decisions. So if there are decisions that we are going to hang on to, it's the president's decision, which perhaps it's been influenced by some council around him, but still, he is the one who's going to make the decision. So what is your advice?
So he should be wise that he will balance the decision. It would be for the good of the country.
It should be. Yeah, he should make decision that is good for the country. Otherwise, what kind of president would he be? Right? Okay, so thank you, Pastor, for that short opinion.